By sanding the face of the tappet plate, this will push the nozzle in further into the hop-up chamber, thus resulting in a better air seal between the nozzle and the hop-up rubber. Place the tappet plate in a vise or similar, making sure that the face is supported. Using a Dremel and a sanding drum, start to remove material from the front of the tappet plate. Test the tappet plate in the gearbox. The nozzle should now sit slightly further forward. Be sure to visit airsofttutorials.com for further information on this tutorial.